Learn how to navigate the print cost calculator efficiently with these detailed instructions. Wondering how much your book will cost to print? With the print cost calculator, you'll get fast, accurate pricing in just a few clicks. Select your book's trim size. Now choose your binding style. Select between matte or gloss for cover lamination. Now select the interior color and paper type of your desired or existing book. Now enter the total page count of your book. Include everything that uses a page. Don't worry about paper type. It auto-fills your option based on what you have selected on color ink and paper type. Once everything is filled, you can click the button to view your print cost. Now here's an example of what it looks like. The price you see is based on single copy print-on-demand production. But here's the good news. BiblioAuthor offers built-in quantity discounts. When you order 50 copies or more, you'll unlock professional price breaks. And for every additional 100 copies, the discount improves even more. So whether you're printing one copy or hundreds, you'll always get the best possible rate, no separate quote requests needed. Want to test different options? You can run as many variations as you want. Compare sizes, color versus black and white, or different paper stocks to find the sweet spot between cost and quality. Publish smart. Plan ahead. Price confidently. BiblioAuthor, powered by BiblioMax.